Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Ram 5500 Dynamax Super C Motorhome. A masterpiece of rugged engineering and refined comfort, this motorhome sets new standards for both road-ready capability and living space luxury. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the crowded world of high-end RVs. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends durable construction with functional comfort. The materials used throughout are premium, from comfortable seating designed for long drives to quality finishes and cabinetry. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and generously sized windows for great views while traveling. The kitchen is well-equipped with modern appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, cooktop, and ample storage, everything you need for life on the road. The bedroom or sleeping area offers a comfortable bed, and the bathroom features functional fixtures and space-efficient design, giving you the comforts of home even when mobile. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ram 5500 Dynamax Super C Motorhome is built on a heavy-duty chassis designed for reliability and performance. With the sturdy Ram 5500 frame and robust suspension package, it handles highway drives and variable terrains with ease. The exterior is finished with high-quality bodywork and paint, giving it a durable, premium look that's meant for long-term travel. The motorhome features a retractable awning, exterior storage compartments, and thoughtful build quality for both practicality and appearance. The overall exterior presence is purposeful, combining rugged utility with refined touches that signal this is more than just a camper. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Dynamax Super C Motorhome built on the Ram 5500 uses a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering strong horsepower and torque, paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission to ensure reliable power on any terrain. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling tougher roads, this motorhome offers a strong and stable ride thanks to its upgraded suspension and stability systems. It provides the kind of power and durability expected from a work-class chassis, all while giving you a comfortable and confident driving experience. Finally, let's discuss price. The 2026 Ram 5500 Dynamax Super C Motorhome is unquestionably a premium product. With a starting price of around $372,979 for new models, it reflects its heavy-duty diesel power, craftsmanship, and long-lasting build quality. While it isn't designed for budget-conscious buyers, it offers outstanding value for those seeking a motorhome with strength, comfort, and reliability for long-term travel. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying an RV, you're investing in a lifestyle built around adventure and freedom. To sum up, the 2026 Ram 5500 Dynamax Super C Motorhome is a powerful blend of strength, comfort, and advanced engineering. It delivers the durability and capability of a heavy-duty truck paired with the luxury and convenience of a modern living space. Whether you're planning long road trips, hauling extra gear, or simply want the ultimate travel experience, this Super C Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in motorhome excellence.